yeah. Whoa, oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, from Phonics 4 to intermediate 8 dreams, we learn, we grow, we speak with confidence and ease. Dream houses rising, painted bright and new, zoos and parks and buildings made by me and you. Favorite bedrooms, colors on the wall, every little idea standing proud and tall. With every word we say, with every plan we show, our English voice is stronger as we grow. We shine, we rise, together we believe. At CIIS there's nothing we can't achieve. Present, defense, speak out with pride. Same level competition, we stand side by side with friendly hearts and minds so free. This is our school, this is CIIS family. We stand and present, confident and clear, defending every project without fear. Full-time classes, learning every day. In English we compete, in English we play. Teachers guide us, patient, kind and true, helping every dream come into view. They care, they share, they light the way, turning hard work into brighter days. We shine, we rise, together we believe. At CIIS there's nothing we can't achieve. From models built with heart in hand to words that help us proudly stand with friendly hearts and minds so free. This is our school, this is CIIS family. Since 2015, a vision strong and clear, founded with hope, growing year by year. With leadership guiding, inspiring us all, we learn to stand up every time we fall. We shine, we rise, our future's bright. CIIS students reaching new heights. Together we learn, together we try. With English as our wings, we're ready to fly. Hand in hand, proud as can be, forever inspired. CIIS community, oh yeah. Oh, CIIS community, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. This is our voice, CIIS community, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is our voice, this is our song. At CIIS we belong.